Hi, I'm Secha, a jewelry designer. In this series, we're learning matrix step by step, and this is episode 16 of the beginner's course. If you're into jewelry design, you're in the right place. CAD planar holes is used to close flat, open surfaces on 3D objects. If you extrude a shape and it's open at the top or bottom, this tool helps you seal those planar openings and create a watertight solid, closing open ends of extruded shapes. Preparing solids for Boolean operations or 3D printing. Perfect for rings, pendants, and simple base forms. The Extract Surface tool allows you to separate one or more surfaces from a 3D solid or poly. Instead of exploding the entire object, you can select just the surface you want and extract it for editing or isolating and editing individual surfaces, modifying part of a model without affecting the whole. Great for customizing ring interiors, bezels, or complex details in jewelry design. Fillet Edge is used to round off sharp edges on 3D when your model has hard, sharp corners. This tool helps you soften them by creating smooth, curved transitions, giving your object a more refined and realistic look. Rounding edges for comfort, for example, inner ring bands, making designs more elegant and production ready. Adding soft transitions for a more organic feel.